Did you know that Paris Street, Rainy Day by Gustave was once criticized for being too real?
People think it was instantly hailed as a masterpiece. But here's the shocking truth. When Caillebotte unveiled this stunning portrayal of a rainy day in Paris in 1877,
it was met with mixed reviews. Critics were taken aback by its unconventional composition and its honest depiction of urban life.
Despite the initial backlash, Paris Street,
Rainy Day
eventually became a groundbreaking work of art.
Today, it's celebrated as one of the most iconic paintings of the Impressionist movement.
So, next time you admire this masterpiece,
remember, sometimes it takes time for brilliance to be recognized.